Danke bafethu. Nawo amajita lawa e-Kaizer Chiefs. Bawakhona ama-player ambalwa laphana kuma-grandstand ku-Kaizer Chiefs. UMorris ongeke adlale, ayikho i-contribution azoyi-add uMorris. Hhayi ukuthi ngimkhuluma kabi, kodwa bafethu sesimbonile, bamnikile ama-opportunities ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke ayikho into ayidilivile. And then eceleni kwakho uBatman, i-golden boy, umuntu abamthanda angakadlali nokudlala, nama-fans ayamlwela ukuthi bamnike ama-opportunities laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then eceleni kwakhe bafethu, abantu abamazi lo isikhathi, abantu abaningi abamazi. Ubuntle Molifi, goalkeeper, fourth choice goalkeeper ku-Kaizer Chiefs for some time manje ukhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ujima ne-team, i-first team and stuff, but uye lo mengikhuluma ngaye ngikhuluma ngama-injuries wakhe. And then eceleni-ke Wandile Duba, siyamazi ukuthi he has contributed for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukubathatha, ukubabeka la bakhona, even ku-Nedbank Cup wathembisa i-country yonke ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu izoyiwina i-Nedbank Cup. Guess what, wakwazi ukuyiwina futhi wacontribute kakhulu last season bafethu ukushaya igoli against iMamelodi Sundowns after imistake. Ubani umshita lo, uSuarez, yes, after a mistake from uSuarez ukuthi unayo lo pace. But this season izinto azimahambeli kahle uDuba, sikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu. Even the last game that he played azange simbone at all. I-45 minutes yonke umdlalo azange simbone, uzibuza ukuthi ukuphi ngempela. But the players go through this moment ukuthi ibe rough, kube nesikhathi nje si-rough. But at the same time we can say ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs inamalo, nama-players amaningi kakhulu. I mean, bheka labantu bawu-4 la. Imagine kuma-stands hleli i-strike eziwu-3 no-goalkeeper oyi-1, i-striker lezi bafethu ezilaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and aphelelanga. KusasenoHlongwane obekangekho naku-matchday squad, kunoSilva, ziningi iy'ntrayika zaku-Kaizer Chiefs, ziwu-8 emaziphelele zonke overall. Obviously abantu bayakhala bathi nabanye abafana banikwa ama-opportunity. Abamazi kangcono ulo uMolifi mengikhuluma nabo, u-goalkeeper fourth choice, bathi hayi iKaizer Chiefs kumele ibhilive kuMolifi, imnike isikhathi, iyeke lento lokusayina o-goalkeeper, ibhilivele kumfana. Umfana babamnika isikhathi esi-enough and then uzokwazi uku-adapt to a professional setup, because noba u-goalkeeper laba bakhona abanye abathenjwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you can't trust them ukuthi bazokwazi ukusiza i-team. Senesikhathi umfana njalo mangikhuluma ngaye ngihlezi ukuthi bampromote kusesekhona ukuthi kumele ngikhone, but even namanje akaka-elevate to the highest in terms of starting even to play for iKaizer Chiefs. Not 22, yeah, not 22. Maybe some treat as a youngster, but it's time good na thola ama-opportunity ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But at the moment uPeterson wenza kahle kakhulu. But-ke khona abanye abama-second option, ukuthi ngeke ngimention amagama, khona abama-second option, third option abangayenzeli lutho iKaizer Chiefs. They have to try and believe kulama youngsters. U-goalkeeper. And then I was impressed ukubona uMkwene ejima ne-first team. I was like, okay, we're going somewhere, because of they need more youngsters. They have to just to build the team from ama youngsters. Bega, I mean, the heart of ulona bafethu uDuba, I mean, the heart, the hunger to succeed, when he switch on uyakwazi ukufightha ngempela for iKaizer Chiefs. Ngimbonile emalangeni post to-Coach Nabi, should I mean in form of appreciation, because uCoach Nabi umnika ama-opportunities amaningi laphana Wandile Duba. They are missing other players abangakajoyini laphana. They still wanna join i-team with baqala ukudlala this season. Then-ke lana sibona uNgcobo noModi bame nobhuti lana bafethu ohamba nge-wheelchair. And I also saw uVilakazi laphana mayiphela igame naye beshutha nobubhuti la ngaphandle, then uthathe iy'thombe, no even noVilakazi uthathe iy'thombe laphana outside nabantu aba-different. Great weekend for iKaizer Chiefs bafethu. I'm sure amakhosi ajabulile around the country ukuthi i-team ikwazile ukuthi ishaye 3 goals overall. It's not easy phela ukushaya 3 goals, but yeah, mixed emotions about coach, but i-win bafethu. I think at the moment they have to be given ama-flowers wabo for that particular game, but could have easily gone either way. Ngiyabona abantu they under isikhathi esiningi like bayikhuluma kabi. For example, ngibona uJunior Khanye ekhuluma nge-team ukuthi their team is not good enough, bazothola amanye ama-team kwasha kwacima. Akakwazi ukusaluta i-team nje kuphela ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs yenze kahle. So I mean bhekana ne-team kuphela usho ukuthi, and then usalute ama-player ukuthi aphefomile, uwancome, ungabheki ama-negatives njalo, wena kumele usho something ubheka uqala ngama-negatives we-team usho ukuthi hhayi bawine ngoba no isho ukuthi badlale kahle. O-Orlando Pirates mabadlala nama-team angekho special wako-Lesotho, but you're able to say yeah, professional performance, whatever, just yeah, hloniphani ama-team. Well, not really ukuwahlonipha, but khulumani iqiniso. Lebo Hang Maboy no-Gaston Sereno laba Mamelodi Sundowns, guess what? We'll get to see them together laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. In fact, we got to see them together for the first time in how many years? In a couple of years. Because i-experience yabo ku-continental level, I think masikhuluma ngalebo Hang Maboy no-Gaston Sereno, experience yabo ku-continental level ibaluleke kakhulu, bazokwazi kusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs noku-add i-contribution yabo overall laphana e-teamini, because bayadingeka ngempela ukuthi bakwazi uku-advance i-team to greater heights, bayithathe bayibekeleni esicongweni. Wonke amehlo azobathenjwa kubo coach be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazo-reacta kanjani overall bafowethu, and then bazowadlalisa kanjani amanye ama-player, because akhona ama-player bengeke adlale if i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikoranga 3 goals. Ngisho with what I saw, especially first half kunga-replace olile kuthiwa kabuyele bazobona iplani, noma ngibonile ukuthi hayi abakabi ne-solid plan no-coach, but-ke would congratulate them ukuthi bakwazile ukuthola i-win. I can't really forget about this thing bafethu. I see it all the time manje, but uDupreez ufana noVelibayi, bathi bayafana labantu, especially ngoba uVelibayi manje ugundile. Bathi-ke bayafana labantu. Yeah, but leyo resemblance ikhona, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga because nami ngiyibonile i-resemblance ngempela between ama-players wo-two. Striking department e-Kaizer Chiefs vele kwaba strong kakhulu. Abanye abangaperform at all abanayo manje opportunity bafethu, because iKatara ufikile noMayo, uMayo ulimele, but siyazi ukuthi uMayo meba right ukuthi uzokwazi ukucompete laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and siyazi ukuthi angayilithelani i-Kaizer Chiefs given a fair amount. I spoke about this thing with the aggression of umuntu onomzimba uyadingeka ku-continental level noma e-Africa. That's what Igataro gave them, intimidation nanokuthi angasabi laphana, na-that bit of arrogance. But uMayo bafethu sibuyele uMayo bekayi-golden boy, udlale kuma-under 17 lo muntu. By then emncane already was seen as the next big star ku-South African football. Fortunately-ke izinto azihambile open ngakhona, uzoba nama-ups and downs, but-ke you have to soldier on through ama-bad times, and then you're gonna get there eventually. Maningi ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs ekumele abe inspired by what's currently happening ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of qualifying for the continental level. Bayazi ukuthi bazothola ama-opportunities wokudlala le e-Africa baye kuma-different countries. It's not gonna be easy because bona bajwayele i-luxury. Africa akayikho i-luxury, kunzima. Inacho Miguel simfisela inhlanhla ukuthi akwazi ukurecover, ukuthi naye abuye azokwazi ukucompete. It's very important ukuba ne-squad esikhulu esi-health, abantu abakwaziyo ukucompete overall. Why? Noma kuthola ukuthi abanye abantu abadlali, but kuyamotivate even nalaba abadlalayo ukuthi bazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abanye ebhenchini, abantu aba-ready ukuthatha their position if they're not performing. So it's a big season for i-Kaizer Chiefs. My expectations are makhulu. I'm always counting or trying to go back to a statement isaka Jessica Mdaung methi ama-resources babanikile o-coach this season, sokusele nje konke kulele ukuthi o-coach badeliver, so bane-pressure o-coach eserious ukuthi badeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And by the way, they're going for ama-cup. When you are working for i-Kaizer Chiefs ulwela ama-cup, okunye nokunye kuzobonakala phambili, but into abayifunayo lapha first priority ukuthi bawine ama-cup. Ukuthi last season bafinishe ku-number 9 or number bani, leyo nto leyo ayicount ukubona when they get into the new season, because of i-Kaizer Chiefs yabuildwa around the winning mentality, winning culture ne-structure ese-right. So if you're not gonna give them that, then you are out. Bafiseli noma ngingabathembi o-coach, to be fair, because of ama-poor decision making wabo, ngibafisela inhlanhla ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukuthatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibekele phezulu, benze kahle e-Africa. Abanye I've seen this ama-comment amanye ukuthi hayi man, i-CAF Confederations Cup is there for the taking for i-Kaizer Chiefs, bangakwazi ukuyiwina. Why? Because sibona i-Stellenbosch last season sifika ku-semi-final, so i-Kaizer Chiefs ingahluleka kanjani na? Ingahluleka ukufika ku-semi-final? There's no reason bangafiki ku-semi-final or ku-final. they wanna get to the final. Nabo vele iplan labo ukufika ku-semi-final and then they'll take things from there. There's no reason ukuthi bangafiki, they can do it. They have the firepower. Vele u-Ighodaro lizikhuluma ngayo laphana phambili uzoqeda iy'nkinga ze-Kaizer Chiefs umfethu, uzokwazi ukudiliva izinto. Message lana bafowethu, ubhuti ubhalile la ukuthi khona ama-player a-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi adeserve ukuya ku-CAF neBafana Bafana. So wabalile-ke uthi uPeterson, uMunyane, uKunika, uCross, uMcCarthy, uMthetho, uShabalala, uVelebayi, uVilakazi, and wathi still kusasenoLokhu njani noDotli as well. So bekhomenta kule nto le yami mangikhuluma ngoHlompho Kekana ukuthi utheni nge-Kaizer Chiefs about i-showboating overall. I think it's trick ukuthi ngeke phela ku-CAF kuhamba ama-player angaka we-Kaizer Chiefs. There's no way. Considering the fact that uHugo Broos i-Kaizer Chiefs ufuna ukuthi i-overperform wonke umdlalo okhona, performe to the highest level and ekuza achuzwe, whereas kwamanye ama-team uzochuza even nabantu abadlala kuSwele FC i-team engadlali kahle, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs angazi yena ufuna angazi ukuthi ufuna abaperforme kanjani. I think uPeterson based on iform yakhe nama-clean sheets anawo bafowethu uyadeserve ukuba kuBafana Bafana noma kuthiwa kadlali, but-ke third choice at least abe nje khona laphana uyadeserve i-reward because uperforma kahle ethimini, you are rewarded by being called laphana ku-national team. And then uThabiso Munyane, I think that's for sure bafowethu, uThabiso Munyane udlale kahle kakhulu la magame awadlalile but uphazamiswe ama-injuries. Yabona kuthiwa zangabe injured ngabe, and if udlale lama-qualifiers lawa wonke lawa bawakhona because bebazomselecta but injury yemstopile. Then-ke it's tricky because of ama-right back maningi kakhulu laphana kuBafana Bafana. I mean kunoKhuliso Mudau, by far the best in the country. And then kunoMdunyelo, I think angacompete noMdunyelo but iplayele eMamelodi Sundowns. And kunoThapelo Morena, but the coolest thing also about Thapelo Morena ukuthi akusi right back nje kuphela bafowethu, uyilokhu njani uversatile, bayakwazi nokumbeka laphana phambili. Siyayikhumbula i-formation yakaHugo Broos mabadlala neRwanda ukuthi beyinjani, bewambeke laphana ku-wing. So i-right back inzima kakhulu iposition yakhona, baningi abantu abayi-compete-layo. And then uCross would be i-left back. I-left back uModiba, let's say uModiba laphana kuBafana Bafana, and then uKabini manje bamfakile laphana umfana naye ukhona. But yeah, I think i-left back position kuBafana Bafana is there for the taking, to be fair, because of uBasadien naye akasekho kuBafana Bafana, because of Mamelodi Sundowns akadlali. Hugo Broos uselecta ama-player adlalayo isikhathi esiningi, but unawo lawa amanye wakhe ethola ukuthi awadlali but uyawaselecta noma engadlali because unama-players like akholelwa kuwo before abanye abantu ucabanga ama-player wakhe before. And then kwamanye ama-position esingabheka uMcCarthy ku-back four, back four kunzima kakhulu futhi kuBafana Bafana, but uMcCarthy angakhompitha masibheka in terms of like ama-player afana nabo Sibisi ku-back four laphana eBafana Bafana. Ayikho that solid ngaleyo ndlela na, ayikho that solid i-back four yaBafana Bafana, but I think laba abakhona ku-national team ongezana because of udlala overseas, udlala kahle kakhulu, well deserved i-selection kaNgezana. Yeah, akhona obviously ama-selection a-questionable ukuthi angifuni ukugxila ukuthi uSibanibani akumelanga select, no, it's not about lokho. But yeah, it's gonna be very difficult for uMcCarthy ukuthi bamselect for i-national team or ukuthi adlale. I-selection was close. Imagine if azange aphazamiswe leya injury yakhe bedlala kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Mina was expecting ukuthi bazombiza kuBafana Bafana ku-first squad before aba-injured, and then-ke waba-injured-ke abakwazanga nokumcabanga. But yeah, I think for the first couple of games season ivuliwe, udlale kahle kakhulu umfethu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. If waqhubeka ngaleyo tempo ngaleyo pace ngabe ukude kabi namhlanje in terms of i-national team nokuselectwa overall. And siyazi ukuthi ama-teams ase-Netherlands sewabuzile nangayo ukuthi is this one available na? So I don't know about uMthetho as a holding midfielder ye-country. Sikhumbule ukuthi kuleya position le khona yabo yeah khona oBoyaya Sithole, sikhumbule ukuthi bane-experience yaku-CAF, bane-experience ya-international, badlala ePortugal. Umuntu belimele for isikhathi eside but-ke as soon as aba-available bakwazile laphana ukumselecta. uyaya sithole. Asazi ukuthi i-system ka-Hugo Broos, yeah, I don't see umthetho wakuBafana Bafana. But with the commitment yakhe, with what he has given for Kaizer Chiefs, I think his selection would be fair because in terms of recovery ball, Abafethu is possibly the best ku-PSL at the moment. Recovery ball uyalimaka, uyalimaka, uyakwazi ukulithola, uyakwazi ukustopa ama-counter attacks, wenza sure ukuthi i-defense ayikho easily exposed laphana overall. So maybe a selection lapho nalapho ingamsiza, I don't know, but uke waba kuBafana Bafana for some time, back I think couple of months ago, a year, 2, 3 ago, uke waba kuBafana Bafana. Ngiyakhumbula simbona kwi-interview laphana ngaphandle. Dudley, yeah, bekazoba uDudley ngabe ukhona kuBafana Bafana if leya injury azange imlimaze because bekuwuye at some point umuntu we-Kaizer Chiefs yena nje kuphela. Yeah, injury imlimazile. Duduzi Shabalala, I think ama-performances wakhe overall siyazi ukuthi ayenokufluctuate, aya phansi naphezulu, but so far he's doing well. But I'm not sure ukuthi ama-performances wakhe or bazoselecta kanjani i-final squad sabo. Ku-prelim squad maybe angaba khona, but kumele ba-choose ba-decide. Kumele kuno-Rile laphana esquadini, kuno-Apolisi, kuno-Reynas, ama-player super exciting kakhulu ku-midfielder. And uReynas udlala as a-striker, but I wanted to connect ama-dots ukuthi ama-creative midfielders kumele a-connecte nama-strike isikhathi esiningi. Maybe mababheka i-structure sakaMduduzi Shabalala banokusidawutha, but ithalente lona likhona, siyakwazi lokho bafethu, likhulu futhi